Friends, today let's see how to make a super easy and super fast Dreamcatcher using OHP sheet. This craft can be easily made and used in a variety of ways. So let's go and see the step-by-step procedure of making a OHP sheet craft. Friends, this is the part 2 video of making the OHP sheet Dreamcatcher. We have already made the template in the part 1 video. Here in this part 2 video, let's see how to use the template and make this beautiful Dreamcatcher using 3D outliner and glass colors. Friends, we are ready with our templates here. We need to cover all the lines in the circle, also the small semicircles outside the circle too. Let's take the big circle template, place the OHP sheet over it. Secure the OHP sheet with cello tape on the work table. Now let's take the 3D outliner glitter and go over the design on the template. Always start working from inside to outside to ensure that your work is not spoiled accidentally. Make corrections while doing the outline. Here the 3D outliner work will look milky at first, but as it dries up, it will glitter beautifully. Do the same outline work on the smaller circle template and the leaves. Let it set for around 15 minutes so that we can work with the glass colors. Now let's add the glass colors. Keep a small rag cloth to wipe the nozzle or to collect the bubble forming at the nozzle. Tilt the glass color bottle down till the color fills the nozzle. Then release the color by pressing the bottle so that no bubbles are formed. Here we have finished decorating the big circle. Similarly, we have to complete the small circle too. Now let's see how to fill the leaves. Here we have already made the outline work. Now let's add color to it. We have to use green, ultramarine blue and cerulean blue in a combination as shown. Let's keep it to dry completely. Once dried, we need to cut the shapes out. Here we have cut all the shapes out and it's ready to assemble. We have one big circle, one small circle, two small leaves and three big leaves. Here our Dreamcatcher is ready. We have attached all the parts together into a hanging using green colored wool string. Also add some beads in between. We can easily pierce hole into the OHP sheet by heating up a pin. Friends, I hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe.